Welcome back to Kai's Corner. I'm Kai and thanks so much for clicking on today's video. If you're new here, you are very welcome. Today I'm sharing another street food recipe with you, and it's a very straightforward and quick recipe to make, especially when you are very tired. And I'm serving this fried yam with some fried turkey. Coucou les amis, bienvenue sur Kai's Corner. Je suis Kai et j'espère que vous allez super bien. Aujourd'hui, je partage avec vous comment je fais mes frites d'igname avec la dinde. So let me show you the ingredients you're going to need to make this crispy yam on the outside and very fluffy on the inside. Là, je vais vous montrer les ingrédients pour notre recette très facile et rapide aujourd'hui. So for today's recipe, we're going to need yam. Make sure you get a good one. A little bit of salt, some oil. So first step, make sure you wear some gloves because it can be quite itchy. Then peel your yam. After peeling your yam, the next thing you need to do is slice it and cut it into your desired shape. If you cut it into smaller sizes, obviously it's going to cook quicker. But if you cut it medium size, then it will take a little bit of time to cook. But now, going in like this and like this. Same here. And normally cuts mine in medium or small sizes. So this time I'm going for the medium size. I have the yam in exactly the shape that I want. Now I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and then rinse it properly before adding a little bit of water and the salt. Rinse it with water, add some salt, then we can start frying the yam. Now add the salt and I'll leave it here for 5 to 10 minutes so it can soak in properly, and after that I'll start frying the yam. Now add the oil, add some onions just to heat the oil. Once your oil is heated, you can start frying the yam. Now the oil is ready, so we can put the yam in. Now leave it here for 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure you reduce the heat a little bit. Let it fry for 4 to 5 minutes and then turn the other side. Let's check the other side. To have a nice crispy yam but fluffy on the inside, you need to add a little bit of water whilst the yam is frying, and that will give it a fluffiness in the inside, and the outside will be very crispy. I'm gonna leave it here for another 4 minutes and the yam will be ready. Now the yam is ready. Perfect. And I'm going to let it rest here so the paper towel can absorb the oil. The yam is ready and I'm going to serve it. And that's our crispy yam served. Very easy and quick to make. In Togo, this is another street food that I really like because it's very easy and straightforward. So you can pair this with fried fish, chicken, or some beef, so it's up to you. It is so yummy and crispy as well. Look at this. And this is for you guys. And to really enjoy this, you need to have some hot chili on the sides. So that's why I have this one right here. Crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Love this fried yam. Guys, this is the end of today's recipe. I hope you love it and you're going to give it a try. Kindly give this video a thumbs up. If you like it, give it a try and share it with family and friends. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss out on my new videos. Take care for now. Bye. Voilà, c'est la fin de la vidéo d'aujourd'hui. J'espère que vous avez aimé la recette d'aujourd'hui. Si c'est le cas, n'oubliez pas d'essayer aussi cette recette et commenter, partager la vidéo avec la famille et les amis. Et n'oubliez surtout pas de vous abonner si c'est votre première fois sur Kai's Corner. À très bientôt. Au revoir.